Welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive into the electrifying world of electrical engineering essentials. This video unravels the fundamental concepts, transforming complex ideas into digestible nuggets of knowledge. So, buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey. First stop, the triumvirate of electrical engineering: voltage, current, and resistance. Picture voltage as electrical pressure, pushing the electrons, which we call current, through a material. But there's a catch. The material doesn't always cooperate. It puts up a fight, a resistance, and this cosmic dance of push and pull obeys the law of the land, Ohm's law, represented by the equation V equals Y times R. Next, we venture into the labyrinth of electrical circuits. Think of them as a grand roadmap guiding the electrons on their journey. The components, like resistors and capacitors and conductors, typically wires, form the intricate web powering the world as we know it. Speaking of power, we encounter two types of electricity: direct current, or DC, and alternating current, or AC. DC is the steadfast companion with a constant voltage, while AC is the wild one, oscillating back and forth. It's a fascinating duel, with DC powering batteries and AC lighting up our homes. As we delve deeper, we revisit our old friend Ohm's law and meet a new ally, power. Power is the muscle of the electrical world and links directly to voltage and current through the equation P equals V times 1. These formulas serve as the secret codes to unlock the mysteries of circuit analysis. Onward to the versatile components of electrical engineering. Resistors, capacitors, diodes. Each plays its unique role. Resistors limit current, capacitors store energy, and diodes control the direction of the current's flow. But with great power comes great responsibility. Safety is paramount when dealing with electricity. Always remember to turn off power before tinkering with circuits, wear protective gear, and adhere to electrical codes. Every electrical engineer boasts a toolbox. Multimeters measure, oscilloscopes visualize, and soldering irons manipulate electrical signals. These tools are the trusted sidekicks in the epic saga of electrical engineering. Finally, we observe the practical applications of electrical engineering. It's in your smartphone, lighting up your world, and powering up the grid that brings electricity to your home. And just like that, we've journeyed through the essentials of electrical engineering. We've explored voltage, current, resistance, circuits, the duality of DC and AC, the laws of Ohm and power, the pivotal components, safety measures, tools, and real-world applications. Continue to explore this electrifying realm and remember to subscribe for more enlightening tutorials. Until next time, keep the current of curiosity flowing.